And if you're gonna call me cute, then you bet you Stop.
Hi, sorry to bother you, but you look very beautiful. Can I get your number? Because my mom always told me to follow my dreams. And my mom always told me to never settle for less. And that's exactly what you are. Dang, it's like that? Well, your mom is so slow it took her 9 months to make a joke.
You guys want me to say ara ara?
Yes.
You guys want me to say ara ara?
Did I stutter?
Ara ara?
Ara ara.